Hello everyone, welcome to my BTS Memories of 2021 unboxing video. I ordered this Blu-ray set in July and received it early October. And for ordering early, there is a special gift that you get, and it's a photo and an acrylic frame. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm particularly fond of 2021 because that was my first BTS concert I attended. Here is the special photo. And the acrylic frame. I'm really bad at putting these things together, but looks like they made it easy for you to slip it in, and it's magnetic. Looks like this thing comes out, but you have to take off the little plastic coating, the cover. I won't do that right now. Instead, let's move on to the DVD set. So, don't have a scissor today, so I will be tearing into this. Here's the back. Front, I love the purple color on it. It'll go nicely with some of the other sets that I have. And looks like I pulled Jimin. He's my bias, so I'm really excited for that. And we have a little photo card set, our memories for ARMY. Really nice pastel colors on here. I have my window open, so I have a little bit of natural light. It casts a tiny bit of shadow, so I'm sorry about that. And let's get to the actual Blu-ray set. I love these little tabs they have here. Here's the first one with Our Universe ARMY. Permission to Dance on Stage, Seoul Part 1. So I attended the one in Los Angeles, so I actually did not get a chance to see the one in Seoul. I did not do the live play. Instead, I saved my money to go see the concert in person. So it'll be my first time seeing this. It has part 2, D-Day making film, and self-cam interview. So that's disc 2. Disc 3 has Soul making film along with some other making videos. Love how the Blu-rays are a little different color in each. And I like the yellow pairing with the purple. And so this is the Butter, the making. And disc 5 has Permission to Dance, more music video makings, The Tonight Show, some other makings. It's a nice yellow Blu-ray. And looks like the last, oh, there's 2 more in here. Have 6. Special Moment, Golden Disc, MTV Unplugged, Grammy, Festa, lots of making videos, so that'll be fun reliving 2021. We were mostly in COVID during that time, so we didn't get to attend many of these events. I haven't seen a lot of these videos. I'm a little behind, so I'm excited to watch these. And I did happen to go to the Jingle Ball because it was connected with the concert dates. So I'm excited to see the behind the scenes on that also. So that's it. We have 7 Blu-ray discs full of videos. Fit nicely in here. And the photo cards and the special photo card here. And along with that, the acrylic stand. So that's it for what's in this particular box set. I hope you enjoyed seeing what's inside, and I hope you get a chance to watch it or purchase one. I know there's a digital version along with a DVD version as well. So thanks so much for watching my unboxing. Bye-bye.